This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Today we're diving into 10 IKEA hidden gems perfect for small spaces. We're talking foldable, stackable, space-saving, and just plain genius. So if your home's short on square footage or you just love a good space-saving moment, you're going to love these IKEA finds. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mon and this is my dog Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! First up on my list is a brand new IKEA gem, and that is the TORNSBORG Sleeper sofa that comes at $599. This one's a total space-saving genius. Not only it looks so stylish and just so good, but it's a comfy sofa by day and a bed by night, which is so genius. Most sofa beds look bulky and just super basic, but this one is slim, stylish, and unfolds into a bed in seconds. It's perfect for small studios, overnight guests, or just cozy movie nights. And if you're tight on space, there is a matching chair bed in that same series that comes at $399, giving you all the function in an even smaller footprint. Same smart design, only smaller, loving it so much. The next IKEA small space gem is the famous Billy bookcase with a desk. This one comes at only $89 and it's an absolute lifesaver if you're short on space but still need a spot to work or study. You get shelves for storage and a pull-out desk that tucks away when you're done, all in one compact unit that fits almost anywhere. It's the Billy we all know and love, but with a clever little twist, which is just plain genius. Next up is the RÅVAROR Open storage unit on casters that comes at $44.99. This one's a real small space essential. It's compact, super mobile thanks to the wheels, and works in just about any room, from storing office supplies to bathroom towels, books, even as a side table in your living room or a nightstand by the bed. Plus, the clean minimalist design means that it looks so good and stays functional without taking up too much visual space. The next IKEA small space hero is the UTÅKER Stackable bed that comes with 2 mattresses for $387. And again, another smart solution for small spaces that's so versatile and just so geniusly designed. This one actually stacks like a bench when you need floor space and turns into a double bed or 2 singles when guests come over. It's perfect for tiny guest rooms or even as a stylish daybed. No bulky bed frames, no fuss, just stack, unstack, sleep and repeat. Loving it. Now let's take a quick break from our IKEA storage gems so I can tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the amazing platform that makes having an online presence so effortless. First off, their visual design tools are a game changer for anyone who cares about aesthetics. You get access to these gorgeous visual effects that make your site look so professional. It's perfect for creating that polished, cohesive look without needing any design background. I'm also obsessed with their mobile optimization. Every Squarespace template is automatically designed to look perfect on any device. Phones, tablets, laptops, everything just works perfectly. The way your site automatically adjusts to look amazing no matter how someone's viewing it is just so practical and professional. And not to mention their email campaign features. They are just fantastic. The template designs are so clean and modern, making it super easy to create these gorgeous email newsletters that perfectly match your website's branding. So if you want to create a website or an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA space-saving gems. The next IKEA gem for small spaces on my list is the RESARÖ Mobile drop leaf table with storage. And let me tell you, this thing does it all. It's part table, part storage unit, part portable island, and 100% a small space lifesaver. You can easily fold the leaves when you need extra floor space, pop them up for dining or prep area, and roll it wherever you want when you are not using it. With deep drawers built right in, it's perfect for hiding away all the clutter without looking like a storage unit. It's stylish, functional, and ready to multitask, plus it's made out of solid wood, making it a quality piece of furniture that will serve you for years to come. And speaking of tables, the next space-saving gem I have for you is the BJURSTA Wall-mounted drop leaf table. This one's just a simple drop leaf table that comes at $59.99, but honestly, it's the definition of small but mighty. It's perfect if you need a dining spot, a desk, or a little coffee nook. Just flip it up when you need it and fold it right back down when not in use. It takes zero floor space and still gives you plenty of function, making it perfect for tight kitchens, hallways, or even home office spaces. And when we're speaking of home offices, the next small space hero just had to be the BJÖRKÅSEN laptop stand. And again, another smart home IKEA find that comes at a great price and is the perfect solution for smaller homes. Not only this one doesn't take much space and looks super sleek, but it folds up flat when not in use, so you can tuck it away when you're done, saving precious space. It comes in a few stylish colors and is super versatile. You can use it as a workstation, a side table, or even a cozy little coffee table. It's perfect for small spaces that demand big functionality. Next up is the VALTORP Bench that comes at $149.99. This one's a total game changer for small spaces. It's not just a stylish spot to sit in, it also got built-in storage to hide away blankets, shoes, or whatever clutter you've got lying around. It's perfect for entryways, bedrooms, or living rooms where every inch counts. I especially love this green fabric option. It looks so stylish and is just a beautiful piece of furniture to have in your home. The next small space lifesaver is the VARDÖ Underbed storage box, priced at $39.99. This clever storage solution slides neatly under your bed, making it perfect for stashing away clothes, shoes, extra linens, or seasonal gear, keeping your space clutter-free and organized. Its low profile means it won't eat up any precious floor space, and the design lets you easily spot what's inside without having to pull everything out. A simple, stylish hack to maximize your storage without sacrificing any room. And the last IKEA storage gem I have for you is the LOSHULT Utility cart. This little cart made out of pine rolls wherever you need extra storage or counter space, whether it's in the kitchen, living room, or even your bathroom. Its compact size and open design makes it perfect for keeping your essentials organized without feeling bulky. It's functional, flexible, and just super stylish, a real must-have for any small space. And that's a wrap on my top 10 IKEA gems for small spaces. Whether you're working with a cozy apartment or just want to maximize every inch of space, these IKEA finds prove that smart design and good style can go hand in hand. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell to never miss another video again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! On today's menu, we have a sausage for Marcy boy. You like the sausage? Here you go, buddy. This is from the subscribers who send love to you every single week. Yumsy. Is it delicious, Mars? Do you like it, buddy? Do you like it? Of course you do. Of course you do. Give them a kiss. Give them a kiss. Ah. Okay, you had your snack, now you can go to sleep again. Bye-bye, guys. See you next week. Bye!